traders, I just want to flip through these and show you the outcome of these signals. And then what we're going to do is come back and have a look at the strategy. Green bars, green signal above the cloud, we take the trade. Red bar under, red signal, we take the trade. Green bar under, green triangle signal, we buy. Okay, red bars under, we get a red signal, we sell. You get the idea. Bitcoin, let's have a look. Green bar under, green triangle, we buy. So you can see how powerful this is. There's no technical analysis. We would have come in on this signal back in here. But what we'll do is we'll run through and I'll explain the strategy. And you can treat this video as a tutorial. But I just wanted to bring your attention to the win rate, at least, that we're getting with this. Like, have a look at this, for example. Look at these red bars under. This is quite a nice one. We get good whippy price action with this. Some nice pullbacks. Some of these give us a much better opportunity than others. Okay, red bars under, we're looking for a short. It just goes on and on, guys. Green bars under, we're looking for a buy. That one may have been a little bit difficult because we didn't get a pullback. That one, beautiful trade, we got the pullback. All right, so you can see what this is about. Here we go. Look at this. Green bar under, we buy. Now here's a set of rules that we can run with, and we'll keep it really simple. Look at this price swing. See, the break is here, and then the price swing comes from this low, where this break is, to this high, and we're looking for a pullback. If we grab our Fibonacci, we just pull it from the swing low to the swing high. We're looking for the pullback into the 61.8 fib. That's it. We buy. Stop loss, well, we can go under the previous swing or in the cloud, depending on what's showing on the chart. Risk reward, you can go with a 1 to 2 across the board and leave it at that. Set and forget. And we commit to the stop loss or the target, either one. That's it, done and dusted. Again, same thing here. Now, this one, you may or may not have entered here, but stop loss in the cloud is all we need when you see it trending up like that. Anyway, we'll just keep running through. Euro Kiwi. Here's a sell. Red bars under. We take the trade. And again, we're looking for, have a look at these price swings. Okay, there's a double top there. There's a base here. The breakout happened here. Well, this one happened back here. But let's say we took this breakout. There's a pullback. Grab a Fibonacci, high to low. 61.8. Okay, you may have missed that one. And it doesn't matter. We let it go. Euro dollar. Because there are going to be a ton of these opportunities where low to high comes down into the 61.8 and we get a really nice outcome. The ones that trade off without us, we let them go. Let's have a look at this. There's your alert. We're going to go swing low, swing high, right down into the 61.8. Swing low, swing high, and there's the retrace. It's as simple as that. Green bars under, we're looking for the green buy. Well, I mean, look at this. There's a swing back here, swing low, swing high. Okay, swing low here, swing high. Okay, it misses 61.8, let it go. I mean, you can go for the 50% if you like. You'll probably end up with a lot more open running positions, because sometimes when these are trending with a bit of a vengeance, we don't get much of a pullback. I prefer the 61.8, but it's up to you. Again, look, there's your swing low, swing high. We're looking for the pullback. Stop loss in the cloud or below the previous swing. If you see the cloud, we just go in the cloud, because this is most likely going to avoid the cloud when it's trending. 1 to 2 risk reward, and it's happy days. Guys, look at these signals. This one you would have missed. It didn't pull back, so we'll let that one go. This one here pulled back. Okay, did we get that? Let's just have a look at it. Swing low to swing high. Again, look at the previous price swing. Swing low. Well, at the point of this signal going off, that would have been our swing, because we don't see anything after this green up arrow, right? That's our swing high here. So if we pulled the fib from here to here, okay, so you may have missed that one. If you were patient and you came back in and you saw this happening, okay, you may have caught it. 15-minute chart. So 15 minutes, that's half an hour later. You know, even if you pulled your swing high from this point here. Okay, so if you get a swing, it's okay to come back and have a look. In any case, these are going to fire. They're going to show up in here. You can click on these and go back in time. Okay, so any of these back down through here, beyond, will have progressed, and so you'll catch these swings. Hope that makes sense. Pound New Zealand. What are we looking for here? So we've got mixed signals here. We'll stay out of that. Yeah, it's showing red and these are green. You'd go for a buy with this, given that these bars under here are green and this red got cut off back in here, and we see the shift in the trend here. So that's fine. That would have been a nice one. We get this pullback and we're away. Pound dollar. There we are. Look, there's another swing low to high. Pull back into the 61.8. But you get the picture. And there's going to be a lot of opportunities where we catch these. I mean, we haven't had a losing trade yet. We're looking for 1 to 2 risk reward. Stop loss in the cloud. There's a green. There's the pullback. You know, and there's your trade closed in the money. Okay, and then the market kind of moved off. 15-minute time frame. It's a bit fast, and you're going to get quite a lot of volatility. But you just want to catch these after the break like this. That one. There's the retrace right here. Okay, guys, gain access. Jump on board with us and enjoy this journey. Go to the website. It's tradingwithanthony.com. High to low. That one may have gotten away on you, but it doesn't matter. There's going to be so many opportunities. Like this, for example. Look at that pullback. Look at this pullback here. Red. Well, let's have a look at these red signals. Okay, we might have missed that. It got away on us. But this one here, that's a trade. There's the signal. There's the high. There's the low. There's the pullback into the 61.8. Take it. Stop in the cloud. You could go above these previous highs and you're going to 1 to 2 risk reward. Another winning trade. So I think you get the picture, guys. Look at this. Just have a look at the previous swing, low to high and down. Grab your Fibonacci. That's one way to do it. We do have another way. Let me show you. Just have a look at a couple of these, see what we got. Okay, here's a red opportunity. US 500. What I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce the pin bar pivots and I'm going to show you something else. Let's do this. Pin bar pivots have been activated, enabled. Have a look at these grey shaded zones here. Let me just bump this up and I'll show you what we got. Just increase the intensity here. Okay, so I've just increased the color on these shaded zones. It's going to show you this. This is where we don't use the Fibonacci. We've got this swing high, a swing low, shaded zone number 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're looking at these candles here. This is an imbalance. There's no imbalance up in here. There could be on a 5-minute chart, but on the 15 there's nothing. We have this imbalance resting here, and this is picking up the candle low on the left, the candle high on the right, and it's marking that up. The market will generally look to rebalance, and it's going to target, look up here for example, see how it traded back into this zone to look at this, see this imbalance here, it traded back into it. It missed that one, and it'll do that occasionally. But have a look at these imbalances, and you can definitely look to trade off these levels. Okay, so in this case, the imbalance is resting here as a daily level at the daily low. So we could set a pending sell order right on that daily low, slightly under it. Stop loss in the cloud. Market rebalances right to that daily low. And there's your trade. Backtest it, guys. Look, there's another one here. That's an entry. Short. Dollar CAD, have a quick look. We'll leave the pin bar pivots on there. See the imbalance here? The shaded zone trades into it. Now you could set that up as your entry point right there. Look at these opportunities, guys. Jump on board with us. I'm making this available. I don't want to give it away for free, and I'm only asking you to pay the equivalent of taking me out to lunch once a month. That's it. And you have access to my trading system, my support, VIP signals, daily trade signals, indicators, tutorials, everything. Okay, guys, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.